Here I'm going to translate a favorite line from the old TV series Star Trek, Beam Me Up, Scotty. Okay, now of course English has that wonderful brevity of one-syllable words, which Mvskoke doesn't have so much. So I have two attempts at translating this favorite TV line into Mvskoke. So I start with the word up, and that could be above or high, as in hawi, or a verb to go high up would be ahawichita, which is the first, it's more of an adverb in this sense, ahawichita, to go up. And then I needed a verb for beaming me up. Well, beam is, of course, short for transporter beam, and it's a science fiction invention. It doesn't exist in the real world, to my knowledge. And so, in any case, I looked up light beam, and I thought of the word to shine, like the shine of the sun. And so you have hayayakas, which would be to shine. It would be the imperative or the order to shine. But you're asking Scotty, or Captain Kirk is asking Scotty, to beam up himself, like beam me up. So that's where the cha, hayayakas, together. So I'm kind of making that a verb, which of course, I guess if Mvskoke was spoken in the Star Trek Enterprise, it would become a common verb to ask for people to be beamed up. And of course, there you have Scotty. Now, so you'll have the first translation is ahawichita chahayakas Scotty. Ahawichita chahayakas Scotty. But I thought it might be briefer than that, because if this was used a lot, if Mvskoke was being used a lot in Star Trek, of course, there'd be slang terms for things that you use a lot, or short ways of saying them, just like you do in any language. So I just thought of, instead of ahawichita, I would just say hawi, meaning high. And I changed it from hayakas to the shorter word kulki, for light. So now the word kulki, normally a noun, has now become a verb, especially combined when it's being used to beam somebody up. So it's chalkulkitos. So now you have a second version, is hawi chalkulkitos. Hawi chalkulkitos Scotty. Hawi chalkulkitos Scotty. Those are just some possible interpretations from the old Star Trek line, beam me up, Skokie, beam me up, Scotty, in Mvskoke Creek. You can try out some others if you like, see how those work, but these are the two I've tried, and let's see what comes up out of it.